Yeah. Yeah. Lovely Selena. Okay, let's see how baby's doing. Because that is my purpose in life, to document your cute kitties. And you're deliberately in the way. Oh man. Okay. Oh, we're all awake. But some eyes have been reclosed. Oh, wait. I see a glimmer of eyes being slightly open. Yeah. But newspaper still isn't showing signs, at least it's not looking up. Yeah, Selena's rubbing up against my phone. Yeah, she wants patting. Aw. Hey, little heart attack. She was headed this way before, but I didn't get the camera out in time. Heart attack. Hey, little girl. Hey, little girl. Yeah. I wonder if she's trying to get to the kibble. Yeah? Do you want the cat food? You're not ready for the cat food. Oh, here she goes to her brothers now. So cute.